Hello, today we're going to pick another kick lock. Like I say, I'm doing a series of kick locks. I think I've got another 4 kicks to go after this one, but it's another trekmaster 30, which was sent by West Coast Picks. And this one is LSD-AINT. You can see it, trippy. Right, let's go. As you can see, it's all locked up. Right, let's go. Super light tension, I'm going to use this one. Just get me pick in position. And let's start at the back. Find number 6. Now it's at 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, just set 2, but I think I just set number 1 at the same time. We'll go back to 3, 3, 4, go to 6 again if I can, 6, click. Number 5, click. There we go, full set. So just like turn the corner, tapped 5. Just go back again. Now we'll go open. Now we'll go open. Wow, that was amazing, that like. That was quick, that was quick. All picked. As you can see, all picked. That was fast, that like. That was fast. That was just super light tension. I tell you that super light tension kills challenge locks, it really does. Because when you put any more tension on it, that's what it's designed to do. If you put heavy tension or medium tension, it's designed to jam it up. But like a locks, I've got a key. Pull this off, and there's your key bitting. Nice key bitting as well, look at that. So it wasn't an easy one. As you can see, make sure it is the one. Yes, it is. So I kept them all together. Alright, let's get it done. See, that's the thing with me, once I start picking challenge locks, I start getting used to them again. It's like with multi-locks, when I was picking multi-locks, then as soon as I stopped picking multi-locks for, say, I haven't picked a multi-lock for what? At least a month, I think. If I want to pick a multi-lock now, I'd probably be much longer, because I've lost the feel. Then when I want to start picking challenge locks again, I get the feel for them. And then obviously, I start opening them quicker. Now it's off. Right. Key. Let's see if we can do this without making a mess. But see about that. Just hopefully we can get this done and keep that up tight. There we go. And there you go. Oh, the goodness in that. Oh, the goodness. Oh, the trekmaster's goodness. Lovely. Aye. Trekmaster knows how to make some good pins. Very nice trekmaster. And let's have a look at the core. We have threading number 2, and we have threading 5 and 6. You see it? Get a bit closer. See the threading there? Trying to torch. See the threading there? and the threading in number 2. See it? Now we'll go top end now. Yes. Is that a pin and pin? It is indeed. Come here. Let's stick out that. Oh, it's one of them ones. It's got a master with a ring round it. Is that it? Ah, that's it. That's how that was in that one. Right, and the standard design purpose. That's like a T-pin. I don't know. Sometimes I just try and think of the names of the pins. I try my best to name the pins right. That's a very nice sharp spool, that. Just get close up to the camera. This is where I struggle when I get deeper into the lock, because I cannot see. That's a pin and pin by the looks of it. Beautiful work. And what's that one? Fully serrated, is it? Very nice trekmaster. One more to go until I can do this one. Come here, I've got it. Very nice. All the springs are the same. You can see if you're going to strip a lock, strip the full lock, get the springs out, everything. So people can understand how the lock works in it and what springs is in it. And let's have a check of the core. So he shredded the core, no doubt he would have. Or has he? No, the core hasn't been touched. I cannot see anything in the core. Right, let's go. Very, very, very nice trekmaster. Look at me pin work right. Pin and pin. Very nice. Is that pin and pin? It is. So I'll just pull that out there so people can see it. Like that. And that one would have been like that. And here we go. Let's go. Let's zoom it right in. A bit further in. About there. There. That should be better, and that's better. Sometimes I just don't do it right. Right, we have number 1, a serrated key pin, like a Spanish top. Then we've got like a master wafer which we went in first. Then this ring would have went round that bit there, I believe, like that. Then number 2, we have a serrated with like a, it looks like a, I don't know, like a tapered serrated driver. Then with number 3 we have a serrated key pin with a spool, very sharp spool. Number 4 we have a serrated key pin with a pin in pin. Then in number 5 we have a serrated key pin with a serrated driver. And a serrated key pin that's been tapered slightly at the top with that 1, 2, 3, 4. It looks like a just a serrated spoolish. That's what I'll call that one. But there you go, and that is the key. There's your key bitting for that lock. And there you go, LSD-AINT picked and gutted. And thanks very much West Coast Picks for the lock. And thanks very much trekmaster for making a beautiful lock. And thanks for the viewers for watching. Bye.